All right, guys, in the last video, we saw how to create a Facebook page. If you had a Facebook page, maybe you skipped it, maybe you didn't. But in this video, this one gets really important, right? This one will be really about what you need to run the ads. Obviously, you need the Facebook page to run ads because that's what we're going to run the ads through. But you need a business manager to manage your page, your ad account, and all the assets and keep them under the same hood. So in this video, we're going to see how to create a business manager. And by business manager, I mean Facebook business manager. Don't worry if you don't understand anything. I'm going to make it easy for you. So let's go to a new tab. Keep it open. And now we're going to go to business.facebook.com. Now, if you have a page already, you'll be able to see by coming to this business.facebook.com page. This is the Meta Business Suite. So you can do a bunch of stuff with it. You can schedule your social media. You can see the insights. You can see the inbox of your page. If you want to respond to any messages or anything, you can see how you can monetize a lot of things. So this is actually the business suite of your business page. But this is not enough to run ads. So we need to create something called a Meta Business Manager. This is not a business manager. This is a business suite. So hopefully it's starting to make sense. So just go to this drop down, click on create a business portfolio. I'm going to just give it my business name. So I'm going to just do wellness practice. And I'm going to say, so this is this is the owner, right? This is the owner of the business or someone who represents the business. My name, and I can just enter this information. Okay, yeah, that's fine. This is my email, and that's the business portfolio name or the business manager name. They're starting to call it business portfolio, but business manager and business portfolio are the same thing. And now in this step, because they found a match between the business manager name and the Facebook page name, they're asking you if you want to connect your Facebook page, if you want to couple your Facebook page up with the business manager. And the answer is yes, because that's why I created this business manager, to keep everything under the same hood, to keep everything connected so I could run ads on them, right? So now I'm going to just add my Facebook page, hit next, and then hit next, skip it, skip everything, and hit confirm. Now, as you can see, if I refresh it, so it has created the business manager or the business portfolio. Let's just keep calling it business portfolio, right? And what it has done as the next step is it has connected my Facebook page that I recently created on the last video to this business portfolio, right? As you can see, it says Wellness Practice X. That's the business portfolio name. And under this, it's the Facebook page. So if I now click on the gear icon in the business suite now, and now in the business manager or the business portfolio, sorry, let's just keep calling it business portfolio, right? There's a few things you need to see here. These are the people who will be running ads. So if you want to add someone here by, just putting their email address and then just hitting next. If you want someone to add to your business portfolio, they will have the ability to run ads now, right? Partners, you don't have to go through partners for now. Pages, just make sure you come to pages and then see if your Facebook page was added correctly, which it is. In my case, as you can see, ad accounts. So if you go to ad accounts, you'll see an empty page. We don't have an ad account right now. We'll do that in the next video. So we have the page, we have the ad account. Now, if we go to Instagram account, here you have the chance to add your Instagram account. So I'll just do add. Let's add our Instagram account as well. So I'll agree to the terms and conditions, claim Instagram account, and I'll just basically type let me just enter the code. And now we will also be connected to Instagram. So let's not save our info. All right, that should be it. So we are all set with Instagram as well. So these are the things you need to check in this level when you're in the business portfolio. First of all, check who has access to your business portfolio, because these are the people who will be running ads, or whether it's you, whether it's anyone else. Make sure you have the right people. Make sure you give them the right amount of access. Typically, if they're running ads for you, they would need full control. So make sure you're giving them full control to everything. And then come over to pages, make sure the page is connected. Come over to Instagram, make sure Instagram is connected, and come over to ad accounts. And then we are going to go to the next video to actually create our ad account. So hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one.